In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio design in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up a visually appealing portfolio using Figma's diverse set of tools and features. First, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that we'll be using for this project. If you are unfamiliar with Figma, it's a cloud-based design tool used widely for interface design and is particularly popular due to its collaborative nature, allowing multiple people to work on the same project at the same time. Once you're on the Figma homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply click on the Log In button. If not, you may need to sign up and create a new account, but today's focus will presume you already have access. After logging in, you will find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where all of your recent projects and shared files will be displayed. From here, we'll navigate towards the section labeled Templates and Tools. This is an excellent starting point because Figma offers a wide selection of templates that can provide a solid foundation for your portfolio design, saving you a significant amount of time and effort in getting started from scratch. In the Templates and Tools section, you'll find a search bar. Go ahead and type in portfolio design. This action will bring up a range of existing templates and community-created projects that are specifically geared towards portfolio layouts. Browse through the options, and once you find a design that resonates with your style, click to select it. Now that you've chosen a design file that interests you, the next step is crucial. Click on Open in Figma. This will open the selected design right in the Figma workspace, allowing you to view and edit it directly. Figma's versatile workspace provides you with an intuitive interface to customize the portfolio layout to meet your specific needs. As you're editing, be mindful of incorporating your own unique touches, be it through custom images, changing colors, or adding text elements. Figma's extensive toolkit will help you alter virtually any aspect of the design, giving you full creative control over how your portfolio looks and feels. That concludes our brief walkthrough on how to create a portfolio design in Figma. From accessing Figma to selecting and customizing a template, this process is designed to help you efficiently create a professional looking portfolio that showcases your work in the best light possible. Thanks for watching and happy designing.